Thanks for stopping by Summit Racing's Performance Parts Expo 2020. I want to show you my long-lost Mustang, which I had intended to showcase at this year's SEMA show. So the story of the long-lost Mustang started in 1994. I had always loved the 65 Mustang. I thought about it all the time. I wanted it to be my first car. And my parents had told me that if I got good grades, stayed out of trouble, and reached the rank of Eagle Scout by the time that I was 16, they would get me a car. And so one day, my dad comes home with a bright orange, technically poppy red 1965 Mustang that he bought for a steal. And this car kind of became my obsession. It became the way that my father and I bonded. It became the way I learned about engines and cars and the way a 289 V8 worked. Every dollar I made, I spent on this thing. I saved up money for a paint job. I don't know, it became a character in my life, this bright orange car. I drove it all through high school and I took it to college. And as I was getting close to graduating, my parents and I decided I had spent so much money on this car, fixing it up over the years, that if I was gonna be an actor in Los Angeles, that I needed a reliable car. So we sold it and it was a very sad day and off it went. And for years and years and years, I've wondered what happened to this car. Once in a while I would do a Google search. I kept my eye on eBay and I moved back to California and I started working on a TV show called This Is Us. And all of a sudden it occurred to me, I have the means to track this car down now. I have the people in my life who could help me do that. And I have a lawyer now, which is a very adult thing to have. And I called him and I said, would you have any ideas about how to track this car down? And he said, well, I know a private investigator. Now, it had not occurred to me that private investigators were actually real things. I thought they only existed in film and television. But sure enough, I gave the guy the VIN number, because I still had the VIN number, the old license plate number, and within 4 days, he tracked down a phone number. Said, here's the guy who has your car. And as fate would have it, the car was still only about 30 minutes from my parents' house up in Sacramento. I talked to the guy, and our friend Ivan went over there with my mom and dad, and they negotiated a decent price, and we got it back, baby! The car had sat in this guy's side yard for a decade. The person that we sold it to had it stolen from them and they recovered it. But by the time they recovered it, the car had been primered. They had tried to chop through the roll bar. They had hot wired it and completely fried the wiring and started a fire in the engine compartment. So by the time this lady got the car back, she couldn't afford to fix it up. And so it sat in this guy's side yard for 10 years. But thanks to the thieves, the primer protected the car. The car was still straight, it was still intact, all the parts were there, and it was rust-free thanks to this coat of primer. So I towed the car down here to Southern California and I brought it to my mechanic, Jerry Irons, and his lead mechanic Sullivan at Ed's Airport Auto Service in Santa Monica that specializes in Cadillacs. I come to find out that they do a lot more than Cadillacs. And we partnered up with Summit Racing and they provided us with everything we needed to bring this car back to life. A 347 stroker from Blueprint, fully dressed. We partnered that up with a performance automatic Super Streeter C4 transmission. We put a 9-inch Curie rear end and then a Pro exhaust system from Pipes. It's riding on styled alloy wheels from the legendary wheel company and of course sitting on the classic BF Goodrich radials. Once Sullivan and Jerry did all the work here, we put it on a tow truck and sent it down to Caliber Collision. There are two guys here in Southern California, Danny Reyes and his brother Juan. Now Danny immediately reacted to the story because he had a 1965 Mustang that he worked on with his dad. It was his first car. He sold it and wished he hadn't. And so we partnered up and they took it down to their shop in Santa Fe Springs, and Juan and Danny went all out on the car. They did a complete body restoration. They did an amazing paint job with the original poppy red paint that you see on the car now. We put all new trim pieces, all new interior. We've added certain things. We added a bunch of GT features to the front. We got a hood scoop. We put the GT grille in and the lower cowling to kind of give it that GT look on the front, something I had always wanted to do as a young man although I couldn't afford it. It's far better than any version of this car that I owned in the past. My long lost Mustang was brought back to life, all thanks to Sullivan and Jerry here at Ed's Airport Auto Service, Danny and Juan Reyes at the Caliber Collision in Santa Fe Springs. And of course, we couldn't have done any of this without our partnership with Summit Racing. Thank you so much to everyone involved, and we wish we could be there in person, but this will just have to do this year, maybe next year.